Express your thoughts, express your ideas. Make as many mistakes as you can. Don't worry about mistakes. It happens because you're a beginner. And all the beginners make such mistakes. You learn from your mistakes. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn, the faster you grow. It's the right time to open your mouth and speak English. Make short and easy sentences. Take your start right now. Take your start. What are you waiting for? So please, come on. It's the right time to speak English. Take this first tip. Tell other students, tell your friends, why do we understand English language, but we can't speak? So there are many reasons why you can't speak English. First and foremost reason is that actually you are afraid of making mistakes. Even if your grammar is broken, if your English is broken, still it's a time to get up and start speaking English. Speak English with your friends, speak English with your teacher. I personally believe that everybody can speak English confidently and fluently, but for that, they need to practice it. You must practice it daily in order to speak English. But you don't have the confidence, you lack confidence to speak English. Why do you not speak English with your friends at school? If this is your English language class, then promise yourself today that I will speak English. I must speak English with my friends. I must speak English with my family. If you're making mistakes, make as many mistakes as you can. Forget about making mistakes. Because it's not your first language. It's not your native language. Everybody makes mistakes. Make as many mistakes as you can. But speak English. Try to engage yourself in an English-speaking environment. Because environment matters a lot when it comes to speaking a language. So English, like other languages, it is also learned through practice. You need to have confidence to speak English. So for speaking, you have to go and practice it daily. Practice matters. Nothing does, but practice does. Everybody wants, it's the dream of all the students to get fluent in English, to speak English fluently, to speak smoothly and confidently. But they always focus, they always worry about grammar. Just learning or memorizing grammar rules will never help you get fluent in English. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need the environment. You just need practice. If everybody can speak English, why can't you? The people who make fun of you, who laugh at you today, will appreciate your efforts tomorrow. But take the first step to speak English. Enjoy this beautiful journey of learning English. Speaking requires enough practice. So if you don't practice regularly, so you will never be able to speak English. It's all about speaking, it's all about conversation. We think that we can't speak English, but we can. We don't speak English. This is our mistake. This is your misunderstanding that you can't speak English. Believe me, you can speak English from now on. It's a natural process. Believe me, it's a natural process. Making mistakes is a part of learning a language. If you want to get fluent in English, if you want to focus on spoken English, stop worrying too much about grammar and start focusing on clear communication. Your grammar will never help you. Nothing will help you. Nothing will help you. Nothing will help you. Don't focus on perfect grammar. It will ruin your fluency. It will damage your fluency. You just need the courage and practice. You can get fluent. You can speak English, but it will take some time. It's a long process, and it does take time. It takes time. Okay? So, just ignore people, what people think about you. Let them laugh at you. Okay? You just need the confidence and courage and start practicing English language. Okay? You can never ever learn a language by just watching videos, by just memorizing or learning grammar rules. But you can speak a language. It's all about speaking. It's all about speaking. So this is all about the power of practice. It's all about the power of practice. Just practice with your friends. Practice speaking English. Who will take this first step? You are the first who has to take the first step. Take this first step. Tell your friends, tell your class fellows to speak English. Don't fear. You're afraid of making mistakes. What I want to emphasize, what I want to say is that practice is must to speak a language. Like all other languages, English is also a language, and you can beautifully speak English. You can beautifully communicate your messages in this target language. But for this, you need the practice, you need the confidence. You don't have the confidence. Why? Because you think that you will make mistakes and people will start laughing at you. Why? Don't care too much about other people's opinions. What will people think? Just ignore people, what they think about you. You are going to shape your own future. Nobody is going to help you fulfill your dreams. If it's your dream to get fluent, if it's your dream to speak English, then it's your responsibility. Then it's your responsibility to speak English. Don't fear failure. Don't fear failure. No. You should not be afraid of making mistakes. You should never be afraid of making mistakes. And everybody makes mistakes. All the beginners make such mistakes. Speak English. Even though you're not able to construct a short sentence, but take your start. Use short sentences, easy sentences, but take your start. I think it's enough.